थाने से परमिशन लेकर आइए या जाइए यहाँ से। भाई थाने स्टाफ देख, यहाँ कुछ प्रदर्शन हो रहे हैं, देखो थाने से आदमी भेजो, जल्दी जल्दी भेजो।
So we are here not only to oppose the genocide in Gaza and demand an immediate ceasefire, but also to expose the complicity of the Indian government and to affirm the right to protest. This is a public space. We are not causing any inconvenience to the public. It's a peaceful demonstration, and in these circumstances, it's everyone's duty to come out and protest against what is going on in Gaza. We are not causing people any inconvenience. What I'm saying is, in this situation, whether the government gives you permission or not, we have a duty to speak out. Government is with Israel because it depends on Israel for technology, especially defense technology, surveillance technology. It has many commercial ties with Israel. The Palestinians are powerless, they have nothing to offer. So naturally the Indian government is taking the side of Israel. But we are with the Palestinian people, and the sentiment of the Indian public, I think, is also with the Palestinian people.
फिलिस्तीन का झंडा नहीं लहराएंगे। आप हिंदुस्तान का झंडा लीजिए, आप हिंदुस्तान का झंडा लीजिए।
See, we had planned quietly for some time to have a protest in support of Palestine against the genocidal actions of the Zionist government in Israel. I think it's a matter of it's a matter of shame that although there were much greater repression in European and North American countries, citizens really pushed back in very large numbers. You saw protests in universities across Europe and North America. India, it's not just the complicit role of the Indian state in supporting Israel and in reversal of India's very long and proud tradition of supporting Palestine. It is also the silence of ordinary Indians. And that is why it was important to make the protest in a place centered around where ordinary Indians live. What was remarkable is that our protest was responded to spontaneously by a large crowd of people, calling Jai Shri Ram and Vande Mataram and so on, and Philistine Murdabad. That was a much larger crowd, and the police was completely deferential in allowing them, and there was a possibility they were pushing us, and they were and so on. So it reveals a divide. I do believe that the silent Indian is still in much larger numbers in support of what Palestine.
कितनी बार मनोज कुमार जी को मैंने कितनी बार बोला उनको रोकिए, वो हम पर हावी हो रहे हैं, हम किसी पर हावी नहीं हो रहे हैं। हम शांति में वो लोग हावी होने लगे।
आपको पर्सनली मैंने कहा,
दोनों सुनेंगे तो फिर तो आपको डर ही नहीं होना चाहिए।
अभी बस पब्लिक खड़े हैं।
We did not take permission. Of course we didn't, because it was not supposed to be a protest that had slogans or any kind of disturbance. It was supposed to be a peaceful demonstration, which we are constitutionally allowed to do over here. When we gathered here and the flags came out at 12:30, a very, very angry crowd came towards us. Some of them tore the flags that we had. they started questioning us where is the Indian flag, and when the Indian flag was given to them, they seemed to not care about that. They still kept tearing all the Palestinian flags, the placards that we had with very peaceful messages that literally said don't kill children, don't arm them, don't arm Israel with weapons that are going to kill children. And you see what's happened here.
द वायर के और वीडियोस देखने के लिए सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन पर क्लिक करें। स्वतंत्र पत्रकारिता की आर्थिक मदद करने के लिए डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिए गए लिंक पर जाएं और अपनी राशि चुनें।